our 1 gallon coffee thermal server and dispenser. Included will be a set of 4 coffee thermals to go along with your dispenser. 2 caps on top, first being the main cap, along with the center cap that can be removed to pour your hot water. Coming to the top of the thermal server are 2 handles for grip and easy transport. Coming to the center will be the fill limit, with 4 liters being the maximum. In front of the fill limit will be your main nozzle to dispense your coffee. Right below is the serving tray with the removable main plate along with the bracket. Right below will be a twist cap. This twist cap can be tightened and loosened to remove the top portion of the thermal. And right below is the removable kettle. Coming to the top will be the operation switch along with the light indicator. Top flip cover with the filter below to pour your hot water. Coming to the back will be the 110-120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.